Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, Git and an editor. First, open the repo page and copy the clone URL, HTTPS if you prefer passwords, SSH for key-based auth. Once done, open a terminal in your project folder. Run git clone URL and press enter. You'll see files download. This creates a local copy tied to origin. Make sure to check for a README or branch list so you know where the main code lives before moving on. Once the repo is local, list branches with git branch and switch to the branch you need using git checkout branch. Next, read the README for dependency commands, run npm install or pip install r requirements. txd as instructed. You may need to set up env from env. Example, copy and fill values. After dependencies finish, run the project's test or start command to verify everything loads. If tests fail, read error logs. They point to missing packages or config mismatches. You're close to finishing. Sync with the remote by running git fetch and then git pull to merge remote changes into your local branch. If conflicts appear, open files, resolve markers, and run git add plus git commit. Make sure to run tests again to confirm nothing broke. Finally, when pushing changes, verify your remote URL with git remote v. If authentication fails, check your SSH key or token and re-add it. This single check often fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.